Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ciel and I love to play with cruelty-free makeup and other stuff on my face. So if you're interested in that, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel. But today I'm going to be talking about Halloween lenses that I got sent from TTDEYE, and I can't wait to show you all these cool and creepy styles. First off, let me tell you what's on my list because this is a makeup channel after all, and then are these two beautiful reds from Color Illusion Official in #5 and #7. On my eyes I have the corset lashes from Kiss. As a highlighter, I'm wearing this one from the Corina palette from Color Illusion Official. For contour, I have these three shades from the Pro HD Powder Contour from Revolution Pro. And on my eyes, I'm wearing the Be Perfect Carnival The Antidote palette to create this smoky spotlight eye. For the freckles, I did red freckles. I used the Freckles on Alcohol palette from Color Illusion and used this red shade. Then for my nails, I have these Essence Nails in Style Marble Look nails. They are coffin shaped and they are so badass, I think. And I applied them with the Kiss Maximum Speed Nail Glue. But now it's time for the lenses themselves. When you open up the box, this is what you get. First of all, you get a very little mirror, which is super convenient. Then you get the lens holders. You got one for every pair that you ordered or got. And then obviously the lenses that come packaged in some cardboard. And you also get some cute stickers that you can place on the lens holders to know which is which, as well as a cute hello card from TTDEYE. So now it's time for lenses pair number 1, and there is nothing on the box this time. But yeah, there are these red lenses that are called Dangerous Ruby. They are very easy to put in with the tool provided, and it covered up my dark eye really well, making it look also a little bit bigger, as you can tell. And this is from up close, so here you can see more of the shattered effect, and it also has like some small cutouts, which makes it look even more real and less, I don't know, less plasticky. I really like this style, and I felt like a sort of a vampire queen in this. I envisioned some blood dripping down my chin. And yeah, I definitely also use this for a vampire look, so check out my Instagram feed if you want to. I really love these. The next pair does have a little image on the back, and they are these Awakened Demon Yellow lenses. It was a little bit harder to get in. I had to lift up my lashes a little bit, well, my upper lid, and then turn them so the slit would be vertical. And these are so badass. I do feel like the yellow becomes a little bit greenish because it covers up my dark eyes. Let's put in the other one. And this, yeah, I was really feeling like some badass dragon snake lady in these. They are super cool and so also good for a demon look, I think. I do feel like it's a little bit hard to look through. It's like you have some kind of layer over your sides. But other than that, yeah, like I said, these are so badass and I can't wait to make a look with these. So the next pair doesn't have any image on the packaging either, but they are these white ones. So they're called Gridding White, and it's because they do have a grit in them. It's kind of subtle, you don't see it only when you're up close. Yeah, here's me putting them in, and you immediately get like this blind effect from further away. I think they're super cool and it covered up my eye very well. Now let's do the second one. So yeah, you immediately get like a possessed look with these, which is super cool, and I'm definitely gonna have fun with these. But I do have to note that also with these you get a layer over your eyesight, so it's not that easy to just walk around with, but they're super cool. Then it's time for the last pair, and these are called Ciel's Contract Red, and it's basically black with a red pentagram on it. And I thought this would be super cool to do like a sort of occult witchy look. So I was immediately in love with these, as you can tell. They covered up my eye very well, and they followed my eye very well as well. So this is with the second one in, and yeah, I was really feeling this. I love these lenses because of the beautiful drawings in them. They really add a lot to a look. Even if you're just wearing red eyeshadow like I was, I could still see from them very well, and I could only slightly see the red from the drawing, but it was nothing major. They also followed my eyes very well, so I was really happy with that, and they just made me feel like a bad witch. So I'm doing some hocus pocus here. And this is how I use the little stickers. I place them on the lens holder so I know which is which. So yeah, this was my review from these TTDEYE Halloween lenses, and I love them. They're such great quality and styles. So if you want to snatch up some for yourself, then here's my affiliate code you can use for 10% off. I do earn a little bit of money on it, but it's highly appreciated. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like it, of course. I appreciate all engagement, also comments. And yeah, if you like my content, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click notification bell on the side to get notified when I get new videos. I hope you all are doing well, and I hope to see you all on the flip side. Bye!